driving range with the bros. And I'm late, of course. Found the ball. This is about to be hilarious. The sun is out, it looks great. Look at these guys. Yo, what's good? Good hit, radio. Bro, you got a polo on too?
He got the shorts, he got
Yeah. Yo.
I was like, already.
Bro, what else you got?
It was good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had to do that too.
Almost.
To the right. It was a low line drop to the right. Yeah, a low line drop. That shit gonna kill somebody. That shit like. Try to swing proper. You gotta keep it left. You gotta keep it swing.
You hitting the ball without putting on, but you still put a little power.
And also,
hit the ball.
He bent his left arm all crazy.
It gotta be straight, no?
Yes.
People
So
like,
like,
people
so
like,
like practice first.
no, put your finger on the rim. No, right here.
Right here.
Your arm, your left
feel
arm.
weird.
Left arm.
Hold on. Don't
Now
swing.
No.
My thumb is underneath it.
Yeah, you guys can do something like this, or we can do like this, I'm like this, or like this.
He needed to do the face of it.
Yeah, I'll probably do it.
But yeah, you breaking your form like that. Just regular hit it, soft. You picking up the ball instead of going straight, bro.
I took my eye off of you.
I mean, yeah, you also off balance. You see how you fell forward after?
Yeah. There you go, good hit. How y'all feel, yo?
Good. You ain't tell you gotta get your form right, or you ain't gonna hit nothing. At all. At all.
How you feel, my guy?
I feel like Tiger Tree right now.
Tiger tree, it's crazy.
Oh man. You doing the same thing you doing? Huh? So keep it. There you go. Woo, that ain't helping.
I just want one.
Lock in, twin. Lock in.
Hit the front of the club. You hit that perfect. Why do you always break your stance though?
Because he's not proper.
Yeah.
He off balance.
Off balance.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. You get that right. Now you think you didn't hard enough? Do it.
Further, right?
Yeah.
Ow! That just hurt.
Chill out.
That hurt.
It's gonna hurt
me.
your hands, bro.
It could have even been better.
I just want you to try. Just swinging,
I
no
can't,
power.
bro. I can't help it. I
Yes,
feel
you-
like everything's a home run.
Mike, for this one time, just bring the club back
Sweet.
and just don't swing. Just Just follow through, like you practice it. Yeah, like that, like you practicing the swing. That was great. You just gotta hit it straight.
Why it?
Yeah, hit it. You got it hit the bottom.
I don't know. He said, all right, if I feel better.
Oh, yo.
I'm hot. I'm tired. It's fun though. I love it here.
All right, cuz. I ain't gonna lie, these guys locked in. I'm gonna have to do the same, to be honest. It's a nice little workout, but I gotta work on my swing. So I gotta get a set of golf clubs, to be honest. So coming soon.